Dr. Huxtable, please.
This is Dr. Huxtable.
Dr. Huxtable, this is the auction house. We're just finishing lot number 64. Your lot is coming up next.
Okay, just 1 second, please. All right, everybody take a nap. Okay, go ahead.
Lot number 65, the Charlie Parker recording of Night in Tunisia. We start the bidding at $100.
100.
I have 100 down in front.
125. We're at 125, sir.
Now, is there a fellow there with a corduroy jacket and a beard looks like he should be bird watching?
There sure is.
150.
He just bid 150.
He is the enemy. Do you understand me? Now, I want you to give him the Huxtable stare.
Huh?
I want you to fix your face. In a way, I want your eyes to be narrowed. I want your lips close to your teeth. I want you to have a look like you would eat him alive. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
200.
It's 200 to you, sir.
All right, I want you to stare at him. Stare him down and say 225.
225.
I have 225 in the phone. 225 in the phone. Who'll give me more? 250.
275.
The enemy just bid 275, sir.
I want you to say 300. 300.
I have 300 for the phone. Do I hear 325? Let's go, people. 325. 325. 300 once. 300 twice.
It worked. Of course it worked.
Going.
We're gonna get it.
300 is the last bid on Charlie Parker's Night in Tunisia. Do I hear another bid?
325.
Uh-oh, what?
A new bidder just weighed in with 325.
I have 325. Who'll give me 350?
It's 350 to us, sir.
Oh, okay, now we can do it. Do you believe we can do it?
I believe.
All right. Now get your face fixed back up. Okay, now, say 400! 400!
I have 400 on the phone. 400 on the phone.
450.
500!